Hi YouTubers, sorry because I have started cleaning the switch and I didn't show you how to open the door panel. I have opened the door panel. This is the main switch on the driver's side door. I bought this car and it was a second hand. It seems like the first owner sprayed dashboard cleaner on these switches for the power windows, and unfortunately one of them got damaged, which is this one. I have disassembled it from the main board, and there was some wax caught between these small pins inside. I have used some electronic cleaner and it didn't work. I disassembled it from the main board and cleaned it using a small screwdriver with a piece of rough cloth. You can use a piece of jeans if you want, a small piece of from your old trousers. I've cleaned it and now I'm gonna put it back and hopefully it will be as good as new. That's it.